Take 2 of the video. Look at the car, not my face.
Yeah, no, this time maybe from the car. I don't know.
Look, man, it's a car.
Yeah, let's fucking see it, man. That's the point of the video. Let's go.
What? Fuck off, man.
Fuck off! Fuck off!
Ben, it really is 1,000 horsepower, right?
It is. Well, we were a little bit off on the gas.
Oh wait, hang on. Don't talk too much.
Cut to the clip of us reviewing the dyno sheet here.
All right, Ben.
All right,
we're back.
We're back. I don't know.
All right, Ben. We're out here in the middle of bumfuck nowhere.
Hell yeah.
Trying to get some clips of your car.
In the bum of fuck, man.
Let's go look at it, man.
There it is.
It's looking real nice, man. I think everyone already knows the specs, so we should just get some driving clips.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Wait, can you get some beauty shots of it that actually show the car?
Yeah, man, I will. Where are you, man? Oh, there you are. So
nice fade, man.
Oh, thanks, man.
Fresh fade, feeling good. Yeah. That's alright.
Let's get in, man. Let's take it for a spin.
Have you got enough outside clips here? Take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, Mountain Mama. Take me home, country roads. Oh.
Have you ever heard of didgeridoo? I'm gonna be honest.
What the fuck?
No,
I'm gonna let you in on a little secret.
Skidoo, man! Skidoo! Alright, Ben. Yeah, I got a decent amount. Yeah, man?
Trying all 4 stacked in here.
remember that time I sneezed?
On the fries?
On the fries? Not fries, but sneeze on it.
Alright, let's give it. Boys, we're getting some driving clips since you all asked for it, so here we go.
She's boosted, man! She's boosted!
In the car, first time ever in a turbo car. What do you think, man? She's fucking quick, man.
We hit 280 fucking thousand kilometers per hour, man. 10 million K, 6 million thousand horsepower R32. Yes. Oh Ben, oh Ben.
Oh Ben, that's a bad idea, man.
Sorry about it.
Watch yourself. Watch yourself. Hugged in, very snug. Very snug. What do you think, man? 1,000 horsepower, no clickbait?
Dude, 17 fucking trillion horsepower. Honestly, you ever get the feeling you're driving with Ben and you think, this is dangerous?
Yep, every single time, man.
Yeah.
Which way to go?
You going to go?
Ben follows everyone.
You got the clearances for this road, man?
Oh yeah.
Oh. Well, thank God for good brakes, hey buddy? Yo, man, it's a two-way, you know, right?
It is, yeah.
Okay. Just checking. Can't do shit around the corner.
got airbags. Nope.
Hang on, boys.
Serious.
Holy shit, man.
That was an accident.
You're not supposed to say that, Ben. Yeah, Ben. Maybe this isn't the best road to fucking descend.
Alright.
I'm worried, man. Nothing can help us.
Ben's fucking conjuring the devil behind the wheel, man.
Ben squeezes the jewel pod at every hit, man.
Boys dying today.
Here, don't say
Don't
that,
jinx it,
man. Alright, so in this clip, we're actually about a foot in the air. We hit a big jump, skadooter, friggin' Yankee Doodler straight into the cabbage.
Yeah, we basically almost died.
Yeah, it was really scary.
Shit was fucked, man.
Yeah, almost hit the cabbage.
Any words?
Any words? Back to the video. But yeah, I just wanted to let you know that, fuck, man.
In the air, all four fucking tires were in the air. Ben, you fucking... Ben, this is supposed to be a fucking drift car, not a fucking rally car, man.
We were fully in the air twice.
Man, I'm gonna fucking shit my pants. Doesn't get much better than that though, hey buddy?
I hope you can see how fucked that was in the video.
Yeah, if you can't see how fucked it was, we're all just gonna look like a bunch of like...
Dude, no,
like-
that was actually unbelievably fucked. Ben, why don't you take this up to the track? Like,
Yeah, that one up island would be cool.
yeah. Oh, if you boys want to see taking the fucking Skyline to the track, comment below, like this video.
This is a good street for a roller right here.
I feel like I'm reborn, but lesser. Oh my god.
Ben, holy fuck, man. You're dead push, eh?
That wasn't even that, like...
What?
If, honestly, if we had amateur rally here, Ben,
Rally driver.
Ben, you would actually win because you have no fear. That's like how you used to be in the S14.
Yeah, that was fucked.
Yeah, dude.
I like to drive slowly because I don't want to like hit a kid because I'd feel fucking bad. But like,
Kind of bad. There's driving aggressively, then there's driving like Ben.
then there's literally flying through the air. This deer, man, he's like, oh, it's Ben, I'm getting the fuck out of here. He knows, man.
It's like a little
deer.
bear deer.
Is this the roundabout?
Yeah.
Holy fuck, boy.
What are you trying before doing in the car? Man, seatbelt, man. Oh my god, seatbelt. Wait, Charles.
That's what I'm saying.
That seatbelt on the car, man.
That was alright.
This fucking guy, man. When we were fucking going, they got air, man. I thought they fucking pulled the boat. I know. That's what it felt like. We got to get out of here, man. We got one can. Man, belt. Just hitting spots left and right, eh? Oh, yeah.
Yeah, there's definitely probably gonna be windows, right? Oh yeah, when it was out the window. Yeah. Oh shit.
shit, here we go again. Ben's up to no good, man. Are there any vehicles? Hold on to your dicks, boys. Nice, man. That was real smooth, man. Man, did you get another shot of you standing on that thing and him doing it?
Oh, that's minky and that thing. Oh, that fat ass ain't gonna fit. I feel like I'm being reborn, man. Miracle of childbirth, man. Fuck! Well, that was scary.
Oh, Ben?
Alright. Yeah, there's the driving video, I guess.
Yeah, there's the fucking driving video you asked for.
Yeah, it's
Solid ground. Safety. That was really scary. I don't know if it did much. Dude, the lens is so fucking dirty.
I don't think you can tell on the
Should I clean it?
Yeah. Give it clean.
Here, bring it down here, man.
Alright, Ben. Watch your left shoulder. His looks softer than yours, man. You got some fucking thrift store bullshit. Come on.
Come on, man.
Harley Davidson. Alright, man.
Shut up, see, you're gonna
Close it
fucking
down.
knock you out.
Close it down.
Alright, so...
Let's get off the road. Man, do it through this thing, man. Wait, Adam, you gotta outro it first.
What's the outro? Oh. So there you fucking have it, Moist Boys squad family. Wait, that was really heinous. Redo that. Alright guys, there you have it. Driving in Ben's car. It was really scary. I highly do not recommend it. I like to live. Haven't even been to Disneyland yet. I got shit to do, man, with my life, so I'm not gonna drive with Ben anymore.
1 sec.
But yeah.
Just in case they didn't get it the first time.
Yeah, get some outside clip.
Man! What are you doing, man?
Man, I'll skidoo it through this.
Alright, do it. One more thing though. I think I'm just gonna keep this video like as raw as possible.
Raw?
Yeah, not too many cuts, just kinda get the full experience of what we just
being
had.
lazy.
This shit was fucked, man.
No, that was actually really scary. Anyway, yeah, we're here, we're alive, it's amazing. I've never been more thankful for life. I just want to thank
Okay, shut up, man. Let's go get some
Allah.
drinks.
Okay. Alright, bye, man.